Good evening, everybody. I am just starting the fourth sum from 13A. This is from Selina Conscience Mathematics, class 9. This is on Pythagoras theorem. The given figure shows a quadrilateral ABCD in which AD is equal to 13 centimeter, DC is equal to 12 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeter, and angle ADB is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degrees. Calculate the length of AB. Here you already have the figure. Okay, since it's Pythagoras theorem, let's mention the Pythagoras theorem here. Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square on the remaining two sides. First, let's consider triangle BDC, and applying Pythagoras theorem we get DB square is equal to DC square plus BC square. DB square is equal to 12 square plus 3 square, that's 144 plus 9, that's equal to 153. Now consider the triangle ABD, and applying Pythagoras theorem we get DA square is equal to BD square plus BA square. DA square is equal to 153 plus BA square. That is 13 square is equal to 153 plus BA square. So BA square is equal to 13 square minus 153. That is nothing but 169 minus 153. That is 13 square. BA square is equal to 16. Therefore BA is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore the length of BA is equal to 4 centimeters. Just pausing in for few seconds. Let me move on to the fifth sum now. AD is drawn perpendicular to base BC of an equilateral triangle ABC. Given that BC is equal to 10 centimeter, find the length AD correct to one decimal place. Solution. Since ABC is an equilateral triangle, all the sides of a triangle are of the same measure and the perpendicular AD will divide BC into two equal parts. Now I have drawn the figure here, that's ABC, and AD is drawn perpendicular to BC, and AD will divide BC into equal parts, so BD will be equal to 5, DC will be equal to 5. Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the remaining two sides. Now let's consider triangle ABD, and applying Pythagoras theorem we get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So AD square is equal to 100 square minus 5 square, that's 100 minus 25, that's equal to 75. Therefore AD is equal to 8.7 centimeter. The length of AD is 8.7 centimeter. Just giving you a minute or just giving you a few seconds to just understand this. Hope this is clear. Let me move on to the next sum. The triangle ABC given below, AB is equal to AC 8 centimeters, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, AC is equal to 3 centimeter. Calculate the length of OC. Okay. So this is the diagram that they have given. So we have Pythagoras theorem, which states that in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square on the remaining two sides. First we consider the triangle ABO, and applying Pythagoras theorem we get AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. So AO square is equal to AB square minus OB square. So AO square is equal to AB square minus BC plus DC OCD whole square. So OC is equal to X. So we get AO square is equal to AB square minus BC plus XD whole square. First we consider triangle ACO, and applying Pythagoras theorem we get AC square is equal to AO square plus X square. AO square is equal to AC square minus X square. Let us mark that as equation 2. From 1 and 2, A square minus B plus X the whole square is equal to A square minus X square. Okay, AB square minus 6 plus X the whole square is equal to 3 square minus X square. 8 square minus 6 plus X the whole square is equal to 3 square minus X square. A square minus 36 minus X square minus 12X is equal to 9 minus X square. That is equal to 64 minus 9 minus 36 minus 12x is equal to x square minus x square. You get that 19 minus 12x is equal to 0. 12x is equal to 19. X is equal to 19 by 12. Therefore, x is equal to 17 by 12 centimeter. I'm just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand the sum. It's pretty easy, the calculation. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next sum. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC is equal to X, BC is equal to 10 centimeter, and the area of the triangle is 60 centimeter square. Find X. Solution. This is the figure. Pythagoras theorem, which states that in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the remaining two sides. First, we consider triangle ABD and applying Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square is equal to x square minus 5 square. Therefore, AD is equal to root of x square minus 25. That is equation 1. We know that area is equal to 60. Now, applying the formula of area, half into 10 into AD is equal to 60. Half into 10 into root of x square minus 25 is equal to 60. That is 10 by 2 is 5. 5 into x square minus 25 is equal to 60. Now next, root of x square minus 25 is equal to 12 because 60 by 5 is 12. Now I am doing the simplification here. X square minus 25 is equal to 12. Squaring on both sides, x square minus 25 is that is 144. X square is equal to 144 plus 25. X square is equal to 169. X is equal to 13. Therefore, x is equal to 13, x is equal to 13 centimeter. Hope this is clear. I will continue the rest of the sums in my next video. Thank you.